He tries to say, close your eyes and then go away. So he locked me in as the night begins. I see the teeth behind the smile. Metal ghouls haunt this broken child. They followed home and I'm not alone. Don't steal the breath from me tonight. I'm hiding with no means to fight. There's someone in the hall. I can't escape them all. I saw who killed these twisted souls. They only haunt the child who knows. Or are they in my head? The monsters under my bed. They call my fear. No one can see the evil here. A monster killed and his victims rose. I think they want to make me pay for the life that he took away. I'm not